give him that one so that he can...
Woo! Okay, here we go. Can you get it on top? Alright, Zeke. Baby Zilla. Uh-oh. Right shiny objects. Alright, knock him down. Come get it. Yay!
Can we do it again?
Sure.
How about we make a different one?
Okay, let's make a different one.
Well, I'm gonna send it to a message, like yours.
A message like mine? Uh-oh.
What?
Okay, let's see what we can do.
Izzy, can you help?
No, I'm trying the message.
Oh, okay.
Woo!